Kia ora, Pacific greetings.
Kam na Penene Maori.
Acknowledging the people of the land, Maori people, tangata whenua, recognizing the Treaty of Waitangi as the founding principles that bind us together in unity in Aotearoa, New Zealand, acknowledging our heritage, traditions and culture, our skills and knowledge as people of Ngāriaus Nation, Nasin Tungaru. We are the people migrating from the Republic of Kiribati in the Central Pacific, with our unique cultural values and identities, to becoming good citizens of Aotearoa, New Zealand, with a vision to contribute positively to the economic growth of New Zealand for our children, our grandchildren, now and in the future. The episode you are going to watch in this small clip tells of the many stories as a Kiribati community thriving in New Zealand. West Auckland Kiribati Association, known as the WAKA Incorporated, was established in 2017 in Auckland, with open-door policies, and members are of Micronesians and Polynesian descent. Telling our stories in this episode is about celebrating our people, our community, health and families and children, our cultures, and of course our language as a Kiribati vibrant community in New Zealand. We are proud to share and to showcase some of the main highlights, including the Banaban dances. This dance is considered to be one of the best Kiribati dancing styles, with unique movements, unique relics, patterns and costumes. This is made possible with funding support toward Banaban Dance Project from the Creative New Zealand. Through positive partnership and connections with collaborations, it is a blessing to celebrate together with the people of NUI community and VAITUPU community in Auckland, sharing their stories through the Fatele. This celebration is about who we are as Kiribati and Tuvalu brothers and sisters, to celebrate strong friendship and cultural diversities. Another highlight in the program is the Health, Career and Trade Expo 2019, which focused on the youth to be aware of the opportunities and services available to help them prosper into further education, trainings and employment. This is our story as people and the community. It is only the beginning of the journey. The WAKA community would like to say thank you to our partners, our VIP guests, our friends and families, and of course the Expo service providers for their great support to make this celebration a huge success. Finally, but not the least, the WAKA community wishes to acknowledge funding support and assistances from the Creative New Zealand, Auckland Council through Anderson Massey Local Port, Fau Local Port, Waitakere Rangers Local Port, and the West District Council Foundation. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. May our Kiribati blessings of the Maori
Te roi au te tabo moa. Kamrapa.